So I recently hopped on the Reels train. I have been creating a lot of them and actually having so much fun. It's only about 15 to 30 seconds that you need to worry about, and it's quite creative content. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you 10 different ideas for Reels that you can create. If you're new here, hi, I'm Louise. Here on this channel, I talk all about building an online business, and creating content is a big part of that. So if those are two things that you would like some help with, definitely hit subscribe down below. So most of these ideas I actually originally found on TikTok. So TikTok is where all the trends start. So I definitely recommend downloading that app so that you can go in there and see what is trending. Then you can take these trends and put your own creative spin on it. So I'm not going to include the music for these reels in this YouTube video, but I'll leave links in the description below for all of the reels so that you can watch them with music, which makes them way better. So the very first reel is comparing two different elements in your business. I actually have a full YouTube video on how to create this one, so I will link to it in the description below. This next one is similar. It's using the song Tricky, and it's showing which one you prefer out of two different options. And then you can make it super fun and dance around like this. My next suggestion for you is to put together a list post similar to this. Next one is before and after. So what transformation have you been through, and how can you share this in reel format? This next one is great because it doesn't require any dancing or your face on camera. You can simply write out any message you want. You can flip through a notebook, use Post-its, or something completely different. Next, share a quick hack. People love easy, simple hacks that they can implement right away. So definitely turn that into a reel. This next one is really funny. It's basically where you share your intention and then what actually happens when you try to do that thing. The next one is to reintroduce yourself to your followers and share a few fun facts about you. Number 9, what is a mindset shift that you had to go through in order to get you to where you are today? Turn that into a reel. And finally, you can use the song How Bizarre, which cracks me up and I've listened to on repeat way too many times since doing this reel. Basically, in this one, you're sharing something that isn't quite so bizarre. All right, that's it for today's video. Those are my 10 different ideas that you can turn into Instagram Reels. If you haven't yet, make sure that you're following me on Instagram. I'm at Louise Henry. I would love to see any reel that you create, so tag me in the comments so I can come and check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another video.